quick reminder on if you search YouTube, you'll actually see we talk about the rain wind vest because we don't have a name for it, and this is the Pioggia vest. Fantastic garment against wind and against wet weather. Fully waterproof front using this event membrane, super light, almost the lightest they can ever make. Super breathable, super durable, packs away to nothing. Then on the sides we have some stretch panels, some stretch membrane. Here for stretch for fit if you're stretched out, or fit if you're saying the drops on a road bike. Really nice bright fluorescent yellow colour, so you're seen by traffic, and you notice that that panel curves round the side of the body and under the shoulder, so you can see from really 360 degrees. And then lovely open mesh in the back, which again is a fluoro yellow colour. Super breathable. So this is really critical protection where you need it. Critical protection down the front, down the sides, along the sides of the back, and then a really nice open mesh so that if you are working hard and it's damp, or it's cool and it's windy, or cold and it's windy, over some heavier layers, then you've just got critical protection where you need it. You'll notice that the event fabric we even curve around the sides, so we use minimal seams on this garment, just one simple piece. It's a huge pattern piece, a lot of work for us, but a lot of work in manufacturing, but really gives you that critical protection right around the side of the body, over the shoulder. You'll notice the really good fit across the shoulders as well. Comes right in here in your arms, so that when you're sitting stretched out or on a road bike, it sits really nicely and just gives you critical protection. Nice collar. There's a little bit of space in the collar in case you're wearing thicker layers or a buff or something underneath it. And inside there's a seal, which actually on this almost final prototype isn't quite right. Using a very low absorbency tape, which will actually give you a fit inside as well. So if you are wearing lighter layers and you're bent over, it fits nicely here, nice and soft, nice and comfortable, doesn't get wet. And then finally down the front, again to keep the weight really low, we use this Swiss waterproof zip from a company called Riri. So we don't need any flaps in the back to keep the wind off, we don't need anything to keep the weather out, because the zip itself is very waterproof. You find the first couple of times you use this is a little bit sticky, just use it a couple of times and it really loosens off. And the great story with this too is the fact that, as well as being extremely breathable, giving really good moisture management, letting as much heat and sweat out as possible out the back and through a very breathable fabric, it's also incredibly packable, so it packs away to really nothing. So it can always be with you inside a camelback, inside a rucksack, inside a back pocket. Easy to take on and off. Nice big armholes. There'll be reflective tape around those and also around the tail, and also reflective tabs on the back to complement the really bright fluoro colour for poor light conditions, for days when it's damp or when it's dull or dark, or you're going into work or coming back from work in the evening. But yeah, packs away to nothing, but very robust. Wash it every time you use it. Just a fantastic piece. So that's the Pioggia vest. Cheers.